Okay, so there's a knock in my drivetrain that I can hear while I'm accelerating. It goes away when I'm in neutral, it goes away when I put the clutch in. But as every time there's a load, forward or backward, it makes a knocking sound. So I lifted the car up in the air and I can hear it knock, knock, knock. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but it's there. And if I grab this half shaft here, stop the rotation of the right hand side, the knocking is still there, it doesn't change. And I'll let go of that one, push the wheel to get it turning again. I go over here and I grab the left side half shaft. The knocking's the same. It doesn't go away at all. So this tells me that the problem is not in the drivetrain, in the axles. It tells me that there's probably an issue inside the transmission.